Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 42, squares and square roots, section A, easy. Let's start. If square root of 2 plus root of x equals to 3, find x. See, this square root is for whole, right? So let's start. Square root of 2 plus root of x equals to 3. Now we'll have to solve this. So remove this square root. Now remove this square root means what? Square both the sides. So this square root goes and this becomes 3 square, that is 9. Whenever you do anything on equal side, means on you have to do make some changes on the equal side. Make it on both the sides. That's very important. So square both the sides. You get 2 plus root of x equals to 3 square equals to 9. So you can take this 2 on this side now, on the right side. So root of x equals to 9 minus 2, that is 7. Now root of x equals to 7. So what will be? Again square both the sides. It becomes x equals to 7 square, that is 49. That is the answer. Next, find the value of square root of 248 plus square root of 52 plus square root of 144. See here, this is the biggest square root, then smaller, then the smallest. Okay. Now first solve the smallest one. So square root of 144 is 12. Remaining things same. So 52 plus 12 is 64. This is under square root. So square root. So square root of 64 is 8. This square root same. So square root of now 248 plus 8, that is 256. So what is the square root of 256? 16. 16 16s are 256. I again say the same which I say in every video. Learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15. Otherwise you don't have any major future in maths. Of course you will go for a job, do something better, but if you are fast enough, you can immediately crack the competitive exams and you can go to the higher positions. So answer is 16. Next, find the square root of 36 upon 5 up to 2 decimal. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.